conference, and actually we need your cooperations also. That's the reason why we have called for a press conference as directed by Home Secretary Sir Sanjay Goyal. We need to let the people know what this mock drill is about. Though we have a very short time, we have to conduct all this mock drill. We get to know about this plan only day before, at night. And in the morning, 10:45, we had a VC meeting with the MHA, Principal Secretary Sir Frederick Kagumar, and Secretary Home Cyril Dengdo, then RCG Mukesh Singh, IG, then me, and then Joint CG. We all attended the VC, and then we had a meeting, brief meeting, and after that we again have a meeting chaired by Principal Secretary. After that we have to do certain planning for the mock drill, and it took little time for us actually to do planning. Unless and until we have a plan, we will not be able to tell the public also. That's why we took time. And so today we will be conducting the mock drill at we'll start from 4 o'clock, and then 6:30 we'll have a sounding of siren, and then we'll have the blackout exercise also. And it'll be very difficult for us to tell each and every individuals to switch off their lights in a very short time, and then participate in the blackout exercise. That's why we have decided in a meeting with the Principal Secretary that we will request the MECL to cooperate with us, and they have when you request, they also cooperate with us, and then they are ready to initially we plan to black out the entire state, but then they also have some technical problems. That's why they requested what if we just do the blackout shutdown only in Shillong, Joai and Dura. So is there technical problem, so we can't interfere. So we have this agreed, and then the sounding of siren will be there in all the districts where it is installed. We have got 12 districts, but then we cannot install it in all the districts because some are not categorized yet. Only out of 12, 7 are categorized, 5 are not categorized yet. So we have tried to install actually sirens in the 7 districts, but 5 districts we have not installed yet. But I think some technical problem is there. But wherever it is functional, wherever it is working, we will do our best to sound the siren. Shillong, of course, we'll do it. Tura and all will do it. Joai also. Then we will sound the siren actually in 2 ways. Number one is the warning siren. There is a fluctuation, sound for 2 minutes. It will be sounded. Then followed by blackout for 2 minutes, and over we'll sound the siren again. That is one stretch sound for 1 minute. That means it's a all clear sound. That means you are safe to come out. Warning means air raid is coming. That means you have to hide yourself, cover yourself. If you have a bunker, go to the bunker. If you are inside the house, like safe house, is supposed to go inside and do dropped, and then cover your ears and stuff like that. And then once you have the all clear siren, you are supposed to come out. So that all clear siren will also demolish the whole exercise, the mock drill exercise. That means that we will conclude the mock drill exercise as well. So any questions on the mock drill?
Can you tell us what will happen at 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock we are doing exercise. Actually we have a sequence of mock drills. Initially we are connected with the Air Force through hotline. Air Force will intercept the air raid threat, and then they will inform the Regional Civil Defense Control Center here in Shillong. And then once the Regional Civil Defense Control Center get the information from Air Force, they will inform via hotline or radio communications, whatever communications available they have. And then once they receive the information from the Air Force, they will sound the siren. But it is at 4 o'clock, so we will not sound the siren because we want to do it simultaneously with the blackout. Because blackout at 4:30 will not make any sense. So it's just for the exercise only. So we will be doing it in the evening, sounding of siren and then the blackout, because 4:30 it's still very bright. So the Regional Civil Defence Control Center, they will inform all the districts control center and district control center. Of course, army also we have a connection, line connection. So we will inform the army and then we'll inform selected VVIPs via our line communications, and then they will inform the District Civil Defence Control Center. Then Civil Defence Control Center will inform the district administration. They have a state EOC, district EOC there, and then they will inform our warden service. We have a warden service in localities, in all localities. In Shillong also we have, in Tura also we have, Juwai we have. I was told yesterday by our one of our officers from Nongsynshar that they have a warden service in Nongsynshar as well. So these are the basic things that we'll be doing, and then apart from all this, like they'll be responding as well. SDRF will be responding in the border areas also. They'll be responding in some simulation incident in Dauki Bridge, and then in Daulu in the border areas, 2 border areas. Then they will do it in Lyngba also, and they will do it in Tura also, in schools. One in Anthony School and the other one in Upper Chamari Higher Secondary School, evening school, because by after 4, there won't be any day school. So we have selected the evening schools in Anthony's and in Upper Chamari Higher Secondary School. Apart from SDRF, fire service is also involved. Fire service will respond in all the districts. Deputy controller of civil defense or the civil defense officers, whoever is in charge there, will liaise with the fire service, and they will simulate the fire incident in the districts. So fire service will respond in all the districts. Apart from that, we have a quick response team of civil defense and home guards in the districts, mobilized by the deputy controller. So they will do minor rescue work once they receive the information from warden service, from the wardens in their locality, because in each locality we have a warden, we have a sector warden, we have a post warden, the divisional warden. So accordingly, once they receive the information about the incidents in their locality, the deputy controller, the district civil defense control center, they will be activated, and once they receive the information about the incident, they will activate the SDRF and they will activate the quick response team, and then they will respond. And the warden service, until the SDRF or the fire service or the quick response teams arrive, they will keep on doing the rescue work until they arrive. They will do the rescue operations for the surface casualties, because they are not trained to go inside the building, collapse structures. So they will not do that, but they will try to rescue the surface casualties wherever the casualties are there, in the open air or maybe near the verandas. They will try to take them out and then put them in the safer areas.